Hello everyone, Orly from Imagine Web Design. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly change the navigation bar links or the site header links so that they're uppercase. I know it might be sometimes confusing, not sure where to find it, so let me just show you real quick. Click on Edit. And that's the wrong thing. See? That's what I'm saying. Sometimes I get confused. I click on Design. Sorry about that. Then Site Styles. Here I'm gonna pick the font because what I'm trying to do here is to update the font styling. Click on Font, and then you have to click on Assign Styles. Right here you have a selection, and here, as you can see, you have your site navigation. So let me click on this. And here you can decide to keep it with your paragraph. So that's why my paragraph, of course, right now in my website, they're all in lowercase. So of course it keeps the same styling as my paragraphs. But I want to change that. I want to make this specific to my navigation bar. So let me click here on paragraph and customize. I can even change the font if I want to. Let's just say I want to make it the same as my paragraph or another font. I can change that here. Right now I'm gonna keep it as is. Let me go back. Then I can change the weight because in some cases you might want to have it a little, a little bolder. Actually, I kind of like that, so I'm gonna leave it with a little bold on the navigation bar. Style, you can keep it as normal. Letter spacing, in the case you want to change that. So for example, I'm gonna put 0.5. It's changing to a lot of space. I want to keep it at 0 for my website. And here, text transform is where you would want to change. So you have the choice to make it uppercase, lowercase, and capitalize. Capitalize means that every word will start with a capital letter, with the uppercase. And here, let me change that to uppercase. And here you go. I have my uppercase navigation in one click. I could also decide to change the size of the navigation links, but I'm just gonna keep it at 1.0. All right. Now let's look at how it looks on mobile. Here we are for the mobile view. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.